Anger is a complex and often misunderstood emotion, and there's lots of different reasons for that. One of them is that the feeling of anger often gets lumped in automatically with behavior that goes along when we feel angry. So angry feelings are okay, aggressive, intimidating, and violent behavior is not, and we can separate the two. The way we grew up and our experience of anger, both by those around us and how they experienced our own anger, handled it, and supported it, is also a really important consideration. Gender is another really important consideration. In society, it seems like anger seems to be one of the only emotions that we're comfortable with men having. For women, conversely, anger seems to be the only emotion we're really not allowed to have. And anger is also tricky because it's like the bodyguard of all the other emotions. So anger often comes up when we are feeling vulnerable, when we're feeling scared, sad, when we're feeling overwhelmed by an emotion. Anger tends to pop up as a way of helping us bring that vulnerability and that intensity of feelings away from us, because anger is directed outwardly. So anger is also the most important agent of change that we have. Anger tells us when a value has been violated, when we're not being treated well, when we're not comfortable, when we're not safe, when we're not okay with where we are. Anger tells us that something needs to change. And when we can separate it from the behavior and separate it from all the messages from society about how we should or shouldn't experience anger, we're left with some really important messages about what's important to us and how to move forward. Anger, believe it or not, can actually be a very helpful emotion and can have really important messages for us if we're able to listen.